Welcome to my shop again. There's another one of the Tuesday tips. We're going to evaluate the shape. It's really hard to see when you're too close to it, so we'll get some perspective. A lot of my design work standing way away from the lathe. The camera now is probably 10 feet away from the lathe. And now we can see that this is a little bit too funnel shaped. I'm going to make this a little shallower bowl here. Make this a little more bulbous. I don't want to come down here to a tight radius down in the bottom because I'm going too deep with this. Okay, so I'm going to tuck this in and take a little bit of wood out of the bottom here to make this a nice rounded, more of a spherical shape rather than a cone shaped. Okay, and it really takes some perspective, some distance away from it. It's hard for me to see standing right here. Looking at it, it looks pretty good, but when I get some perspective from distance in it, then I can see this is a little bit too deep. I'm going to shallow the bowl up just a bit. So it's right in here that I need to work this in. I'm going to take this line in a little bit deeper and make this a nice rounded bottom here. Please support my sponsors, Thompson, Hunter, and Starbond. And don't forget to subscribe and push the little notification button on your way out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.